Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 4. We are learning Unit 4. Its title is Rashid Minhas. Today's lecture 6, my dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modified for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today we'll complete reading of the unit and we'll understand the text. We'll cover page number 28, 29 and 30 of your book. Before this, in English for grade 3, we have learnt about patriotism. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video lecture again. And today we are going to learn further to read silently for comprehension. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Surah Ahzab, verse 23, there are men among the believers who were true to their covenant with God. Some of them fulfilled and passed away, and some of them still wait. And they have not changed in the least. Yes, my dear children, as I told you yesterday, whom Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is talking about? The martyr of Ahzab. In the war of Ahzab, Muslims were martyred. So Allah is mentioning they fulfilled their covenant, their promise with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Right? So yesterday we were reading about one of our famous patriotic person, and who he is? Yes, Rashid Minhas. So let's continue reading. First you tell me, what do you know about Nishan-e-Haider and who are martyrs? Remember, I told you somehow. So pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher. Yes, my dear children, yes, Nishan-e-Haider is the highest military award of Pakistan, and martyrs are the people who sacrifice their life in the way of religion and country, both. Okay, so let's resume our reading. All of you open your book on page number 29. I'm going to start reading from second last paragraph. So what happened so far? Rashid Minhas was going in his jet and his instructor came and joined him. And what happened? He was trying to take that jet towards India. What happened next? At that time, Rashid Minhas struggled to overpower his instructor physically and stop him from going towards India. Ultimately, what does ultimately means? Finally. When the jet was 32 miles away from the border, it came down due to the struggle between them. It crashed, and Rashid Minhas succeeded in his effort to defeat the enemy's scheme. He gave away his life for his motherland. For this act of bravery and courage, he was awarded the highest military award, that is the Nishan-e-Haider, after embracing martyrdom. He was also the youngest one, youngest means the lowest in age, to receive the award. The Pakistani nation is proud of him. Yes, my dear children, you see how bravely that young boy saved his country and sacrificed his life. Now, you tell me, what do you know about patriotism and what did you learn from the story of Rashid Minhas? Pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. Now it's time for your to read the text silently. Okay, you will read. And how do we read silently? We don't even make any type of sound. Okay, read all the text from line 1 till end, because after that I have a very interesting activity. There should be a pin drop silence, the way we read silently in library. Okay, so everyone can concentrate and can understand the text and can have the brain notes for few questions. Okay, so pause the video, read the text silently. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Are you sure you have read it nicely? Okay, I'm going to check it. It's a time for activity. What you are going to do? Teacher will divide the class in 2 groups. Okay, so there will be 2 groups in the class and will conduct a quiz from the text. So teacher, you will ask questions from team A, team B, from the text they just read. Let's see who wins. Pause the video, enjoy this activity. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. You enjoyed doing it? Nice. And I hope you answered all the question of quiz very nicely. So it's a practice from your book. All of you settle down, open your book on page number 30. There are question answers. Teacher kindly take the answers of these questions first orally, then they will write the answers in their notebook and also complete the MCQs on page number 30 and 31. Pause the video, complete this exercise. Yes, dear children, are you done with it? Good job, you are smart. All right, here is time for your homework. What you are supposed to do? Learn the following words for dictation and make meaningful sentences. These are the words from question 2 of your book. So you will learn their spellings and you will make sentences of these words. Here I am giving you a worksheet. Yes, my dear fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, links are given. You may click it, download it, print the worksheet and kindly give printed worksheet to students. And students, what you are going to do? Here is a paragraph. You will read it silently and then you will write the answers of these questions. So in this way, what we have learned, we read the text silently. We learned to respond to the text orally and in writing. And we thoroughly practice to read the text silently for comprehension. So in this way, we achieved our SLO, that is read silently for comprehension. Are we done with it? Yes. That's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing. Take very good care of yourself and the people around you. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.